How to promote your Blender add-on and get more exposure. Overview of this 5-minute video. Tips before you promote your Blender add-on. Places to promote your Blender add-on and how to get the most exposure for your add-on for free add-ons. You worked hard on your add-on and what you want is for a good amount of people to discover your work. What you want is that something happens out there with your add-on. You don't want to talk to the wall, right? 6 tips before you promote your Blender add-on. Before even writing the add-on, research the demand. And this way you can fine-tune the add-on if you have already a concept in mind. If you don't do research, you will find out you wasted time later on. Half the hard work for nothing. I made this mistake so many times. Are there already similar add-ons? If so, what makes your add-on different? Be sure your add-on is easy to use. Mind that most people don't even read the documentation. The more that reading the documentation is a requirement, the harder it is to get engagement for your add-on. Check the reviews of add-ons on Blender Market and you'll see that easy to use is most important. The next most important is that your add-on saves time. Again, check the reviews and to see it yourself. Before you promote your add-on online, be sure you have a good title for your post. That is the name of the add-on, and most people write add-on instead of add-on or plugin. Example, Black Mesh add-on. Use add-on in the title because people are searching for Blender add-ons. When describing your add-on, don't leave people with questions. Ask yourself what questions the reader will have after reading the description. Show the users how it is to experience the add-on. They want to see it and feel it. It can be a simple video where users will see how it is to work with this add-on. Make the video short and captivating. Don't let people wait for 1 second. Take a look at the Cable Radar add-on, for example, on how simple and captivating the video is. Places to promote your Blender add-on. Blender Artist Forum, Blender Nation, Gumroad and Blender Market and other online shops, social media like Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, Blender community and user groups. How to get the most exposure for your add-on? While the previous places are a good start, submit your add-on to blenderaddons.org. Here are 6 reasons why. It's free for free add-ons. For paid add-ons I ask 10% commission or a voucher of the add-on. Blenderaddons.org is not social media where no one will see your post 2 weeks later. Nor is Blender Addons a news website, so your article will last for a long time on top of Google. You get access to manage your full website article. All WordPress features like headers, YouTube, embed, picture, gallery, layout, audio files and more. Your add-on will appear on top in Google search. All you need to do is follow a few simple instructions. Blenderaddons.org is only about Blender add-ons, hence it attracts a lot of traffic for that specific search. This means that if people are looking for Blender add-ons, they will end up on blenderaddons.org. How to submit your add-on to blenderaddons.org. Simply click the link in the description or in the first comment. It guides you to the user Petey on blenderartist.org and he will provide you credentials for the website with author rights. Provide your email address and the name of your add-on.